Be seated.
Sa loob na ho ng kanya pong courtroom, ito po si Judge Solis Reyes. Pakinggan ho natin.
Criminal cases numbers Q-09-162148272, Q-09-162216231, Q-10-162652266, Q-10-163766, and GL-Q-12-178638. People of the Philippines versus Datu Andal Ampatuan Jr. and others. Tatawagin po yung mga pangalan po ng mga accused at pag tinawag po yung pangalan nyo, maaari po ay tumindig po lamang. Datu Andal Ampatuan Jr. Datu Saldi Ampatuan. Datu Ahmad Tato Ampatuan Sr. Datu Sajid Islam Ampatuan. I repeat, Datu Sajid Islam Ampatuan. Is not in court, Your Honor. Datu Anwar, not around, Your Honor. Datu Anwar Ampatuan Sr. Takpan Dilon I. Malipol. Takpan Dilon. Police Chief Inspector Sukarno A. Dikay. Police Senior Inspector Abdul Gapor Abad. Police Superintendent Abusama Mundas Magid. Police Superintendent Banarin Kamaong. Police Superintendent Abdul Wahid Patukasan. SPO2 George Labayan. SPO2 Badawi Bakal. SP1 Oscar Donato. SP1 Samad Usman Magindra. SP1 Alimola L. Gianaton. SP1 Ali Solano. SP1 Eduardo H. Ong. SP1 Elise Rendaje. He is in wheelchair, Your Honor. PO3 Gibrael Alano. PO3 Felix Ababaw Dakilos. PO3 Abibudin S. Abdul Gani. PO3 Ricky Balanueco. Again, PO3 Ricky Balanueco. Not in court, Your Honor.
Who is not in court? Balanueco?
PO3 Rasid Anton. PO3 Felix Enate Jr. PO2 Hamad Nana. PO2 Kendatu S. Rakim. PO2 Saudiar Ula. PO2 Saudi Pasutan. PO2 Rexon Giama. PO1 Herrick Amaba. PO1 Badjun Panegas. PO1 Muhammad Balading. PO1 Datu Jerry M. Uto. PO1 Abdullah Bagwadatu. PO1 Tamano Hadi. PO1 Abdul Bayan Mundas. PO1 Esprielito Leharso. PO1 Ismael Gialal. PO1 Jimmy Kadtong. PO1 Marjul Julkadi. PO1 Abdurrahman Batarasa. PO1 Abdulanan Saavedra. PO1 Marsman Milong, PO1 Narcoc Mascud, PO1 Arnulfo A. Soriano, PO1 Rainer Ebus, PO1 Ebara Bebot, PO1 Pendatun Dima,
Where's Lima?
PO1 Pendatun Dima, not around, Your Honor. PO1 Michael Macarongon, Datu Jimmy Ampatuan, Datu Anwar Sajid Ampatuan, Datu Anwar EP Ampatuan, Police Inspector Michael Joy Macaraeg, Police Inspector Michael Joy Macaraeg, not in court, Your Honor. Police Inspector Saudi Mokamad, PO2 Tani Dalgan, PO1 Amir Sulaiman, PO1 Michael Madsig, PO1 Sandy Sabang, PO1 Pia Camidon, PO1 Dukoy Badal, PO1 Warden Kusain Legawan, PO1 Jonathan Engid, PO1 Anwar Masukat, Mani Upam Ampatuan, Miswari Ampatuan, Abbas Anongan, also known as Abbas Andongan or Abbas Gani Abutasil. Wala na.
Where is he?
He was released already. Released already. Released.
Ah, okay.
Ganito na more. Muhammad Sangki, Datutuhon Ismail, also known as Datutulon Malagyal Ismail, Mukhtar Daud, Alimuddin Sanguyod, also known as Noruddin Garaputay, Fahad Watamama Uto, also known as Richard Gopel, Samsudin Daud, or Danny Olivares, Teng Sali, also known as Abdullah Hamid Abdul Kahar, Nasser Ismail, Abedin Alamada, also known as Commander Bedi, Maot Bangkulat, also known as Benji Dagintingan, Bong Andal, in orange, Edris Kasan, also known as Edris Gogo Alip, Akad Makaton, also known as Muhammad Salazar Piang, Maot Dumla, also known as Not Abdul or Not Duma, Nasser Talib, also known as Morales Hisay Amilol. Wala na tayo. Taya Bangkulat, To Ahmad Amino, Malagyal Tanuri, also known as Johari Montok Malagyal. Zakaria Akil, also known as Quago Pama-Akil. And Pintingan Kamad Makaalay, same. Denga Mentol or Ronnie Opong. Samaon Andatuan.
Tsaka yung travelers,
Kudsa Masukat, also known as Kudsa Ugiya Masukat, Datuteng. Sa Lipad, Tampogaw. Talembo Masukat. Sahid Yamadel. Mama Habib. And Rakim Amil alias Rakim Kenog. Present. Your Honor. Incident.
Done? Okay. Before the actual reading of the consolidated partial decision, I just would like to inform the parties that said consolidated partial decision consists of 761 pages. Yes. If we start from the beginning up to the end, we might not be able to finish it the whole day. So I would like to know from the parties if you are amenable that only the salient features will be read. Just the dispositive. Okay. Prosecutor
Your
Robles,
Honor.
yes.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Please, appearances first.
Yes, representing for the state, City Prosecutor Amor L. Robles, together with the prosecution panel, we are ready for the promulgation. And may we move, Your Honor, that only the dispositive portion of the decision be read, considering, as you have, the court have just mentioned, it consists of more than 700 pages.
Yes. Any objection?
Respectfully appearing, Your Honor, for the former governor of ARMM, Datu Zaldi Ampatuan, Your Honor. I'm Attorney Andre De Jesus of the Seguera De Jesus D and Chico law offices. We join the motion of the prosecution, Your Honor, for this honorable court to dispense with the reading of the body of the decision and instead read the dispositive portion, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay. Noted. Appearances first.
Your Honor, for the 38 victims of the Maguindanao Massacre, we pray, Your Honor, that the silent points be read and the dispositive
Appearing for 19 private complainants, law firm of Butuyan and Reyes, Attorney Harry Roque of counsel with Attorney Gilbert Andres. We join actually Attorney Nena Santos in requesting that the salient points be read. May we know, Your Honor, if how long the salient points would be? Because if it is possible, Your Honor, if it's physically possible to finish within the day, just reading the salient portions, then perhaps for the benefit also of the entire nation who's watching this case now, perhaps we should read the salient points, Your Honor.
Your Honor, please.
May
Go
I
ahead.
be allowed to speak?
Go ahead.
I'm Attorney Maria Gemma J. Oquendo representing Catalino Oquendo Jr. and Cynthia Oquendo, Your Honor. I would like to join the manifestation of Attorney Nena Santos and Attorney Harry Roque. We have been waiting for this moment, Your Honor, 10 years. And there are so many people waiting to be informed of the real facts from the Honorable Court, Your Honor, so that all the facts that will come from, it would only be coming from the Honorable Court, not from commentaries, Your Honor. So I would like to move the salient points if it would not consume the whole day, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Yes, Attorney Principe.
good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Pete Principe, I joined the manifestation of my fellow private prosecutors, Your Honor. Only the important points, the salient points, and then the dispositive portion, Your Honor.
Let's listen first to the other. Let's listen first to the public prosecutors.
Yes, Your Honor. May we inquire from the court how long will it take or how many pages would be the salient portions, if ever?
It won't take long.
How many
It won't take
pages, Your
long.
Honor?
I'm not sure, but it won't take long.
If that is the wish, Your Honor, of the parties, Your Honor, and if there is no objection on the part of the accused as well, we will be we submit to the discretion of the Honorable Court. How long?
Magandang tanghali po. Though I heard correctly, Your Honor, the Honorable Court statement to the effect that this decision is a consolidated, partial decision.
Yes,
I'm wondering with all due
because
respect.
there are still about 80 accused who are at large.
I see. Just listen, Your Honor, I would like to, with all courtesy and respect, insist to abbreviate the proceedings, Your Honor. After all the parties and the lawyers are provided with a copy of the body of the decision, that only the dispositive portion be read, Your Honor, please.
Yes, everybody will be provided copies of the consolidated.
Attorney Kanya for Dato Ahmad, ang Patuan Senior.
Good morning, Your Honor. For Colonel Magid and Espioto Bakal, I agree with him, Your Honor, that the dispositive portion, it's almost now 11:20, Your Honor. I would agree with Attorney Kanya, Your Honor, that the dispositive portion be just read, Your Honor.
Yes,
Your Honor, please, same appearance. I have 84 clients in my portfolio. They are grouped in the following manner: Bayan et al., Solano et al., and they are collectively known as 1507 Police Mobile Group. Donato et al., also known as 1508, Your Honor, please, and civilian organizations.
CBOs.
Yes, Your Honor. And I'm always doing this to your court. Whatever be the result, I would like to greet everybody a happy, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Salient point in this stipulated portion, because I have 84 clients, Your Honor.
Yes, Attorney
Good morning,
Santos. Go ahead, I'm sorry.
Morning, Your Honor. Respectfully appearing as counsel for PO1 Michael Madsig, Your Honor. I am Attorney Ralph Lawrence Margallo of GP Angeles and Associates Law Office. So I will join the motion that only the dispositive portion be read, Your Honor. Thank you, Your Honor.
Hello. Your Honor, for Dato Andalang Patuan Jr., I'm Attorney Paul Lacwatan. I join the manifestation that the dispositive portion should only be read, Your Honor.
Just
Thank
the
you.
dispositive portion. Okay. So I will make a ruling.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, let's read the dispositive portion.
Move for reconsideration, Your Honor.
Attorney Roque, you will be provided a copy of the decision.
Your Honor, the Supreme Court approved the live coverage of this proceeding because the whole nation is watching us. They want to know the findings of us. And then this positive portion, Your Honor. Not only the whole nation, the whole world is watching the proceeding today. Your Honor. They are entitled to know the findings, the salient features, Your Honor. Not only the dispositive portion. Your Honor.
Yes, Prosecutor Robles.
The court has to be wrong that the dispositive portion of the reinforce the disposition of distinguished counsel to
Go ahead,
Your Honor,
Prosecutor
with the
Robles.
order of this court allowing me the reading of the dispositive portion, Your Honor, and also in consonance with the Supreme Court en banc notice of resolution dated December 10, 2019, that the decision once promulgated will be immediately uploaded in the PIO of the website of the Supreme Court. So everyone will be able to see and browse and upload also the decision. So I think it would be best if we start with the promulgation of the dispositive portion.
Okay, so just the dispositive portion. I'm sorry, Attorney Roque, but
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, we bow to the
just
decision of
the dispositive portion will be read.
Your Honor, please, before the reading of the dispositive portion, I am waiving the appearance of PO3 Ricky Villanueva and Pendaton Kima, Your Honor.
Where are they?
I don't know, Your Honor. But I told them to attend, Your Honor.
Are they bonded?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, incidentally, Your
Comment on
Honor, it appears that based on the reading of the calendar, Your Honor, when the accused were called, there are several accused who are not present in this court, such as Ampatuan Sajid Islam, Balanyueco Ricky, Giama Rexon, and Michael Joy Macareeg, Your Honor. First, may we inquire from
I
the...
think it's Dima. Dima.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I stand corrected. May we know, Your Honor, from the records of the court if these accused are duly notified personally or through their counsel or through their bonding companies if they are bonded?
Everybody was notified.
In view of that, Your Honor, under the rules, may we move that an order be issued directing this accused that within 12 hours to submit in writing their reason for neglecting and refusing to appear at this court proceeding despite the lawful order of the court, and if the so warrant, Your Honor, a warrant of arrest be issued and their bail be confiscated in favor of the court, Your Honor.
If Your Honor, please. If Your Honor, please. I respectfully appeal for accused Sajid Ampatuan, Your Honor. I is presently in this post and will not be able to come to court for this promulgation, Your Honor. But he has no objection to the proceedings so that it can already be done, Your Honor, please.
Excuse me, what was that?
We are not objecting to the promulgation, Your Honor. Yes.
Actually, you cannot waive your presence during the promulgation. It's just like arraignment, and during the initial trial where the accused will be identified by the complainant, you cannot waive that.
We submit, Your Honor, but in that case, Your Honor, we respectfully request that we be given time to submit the justification for his non-appearance in court today, Your Honor. At least,
Have you formally entered your appearance as counsel? Have you entered your formal appearance as counsel of
I did, Your
Sajid?
Honor, please. I did, Your Honor.
You did?
As a collaborating counsel of the Marquis Law Office, Your Honor, please.
Yes. Can I have your name, please?
Attorney Manuel Reyes Castro, Your Honor.
Attorney Manuel.
Reyes Castro.
Okay. So let's start with the proceedings, with the promulgation of judgment. Madam Interpreter, kindly read the decision. Please make it slow.
Yes, Your Honor. Consolidated partial decision. Wherefore, in view of the foregoing, judgment is hereby rendered as follows. In criminal case numbers Q-09-162148272, Q-09-162216231, Q-10-1626252-66, and Q-10-1637766, or 57 counts of murder. Number 1, the prosecution having established the guilt beyond reasonable doubt of the following accused who are found to have acted as principal, namely Datu Andal Unsay Ampatuan Jr., Datu Anwar Sajid Datu Ulo Ampatuan, Datu Anwar Datu Ipi Ampatuan Jr., Police Inspector Saudi Muhammad, PO1 Jonathan Engid, Abedin Alamada, alias Commander Bedi, Talembo Tami Masukat, alias Talembo Kahar Abdul Rahman, Theng P. Sali, alias Abdullah Hamid Abdul Kahar, Mani Ampatuan, Nasser Esmael, alias Nasruddin Esmael, Datu Zaldi Ampatuan, Police Chief Inspector Sukarno Dikay, Police Superintendent Abu Sama Mundas Magid, Police Superintendent Banarin Kamaong, Datu Anwar Ampatuan Sr., Tato Tampogaw, Mohades Ampatuan, Muhammad T. Datu Manong alias Nicomedes Ahmad Tolentino, Miswari Ampatuan, Taya Bangkulat Salik Bangkulat, Thong Yamano alias Ibrahim Kamal Tatak, Sani K. Pindi alias Joven Salazar Piang, alias Bimbo Salazar Piang, Armando Ambalgan alias Hamil Bulatukan Kayansang, Bulatukan Omar, testified as Omar Bulatukan Kayansang, Kudza Masukat Ugya alias Datu Teng Ibrahim or Mustafa Ibrahim, Edres Kasan alias Edres Gogo Alip, who testified as Edres Gugo Kasan, Zakaria P. Akil alias Quago Akil, and Samaon Andatuan. They are hereby convicted and sentenced to suffer the penalty of imprisonment of reclusion perpetua without paroles pursuant to RA 9346. Number 2, likewise, the prosecution having established the guilt beyond reasonable doubt of the following accused who are found to have acted as accessories, namely Police Inspector Michael Joy Macaraeg, PO3 Felix Enyate, PO3 Abibuddin Abdul Ghani, PO3 Rasid Anton, PO2 Hamad Nana, PO2 Saudi Pasutan, PO2 Saudiar Ula, PO1 Esprielito Leharso, PO1 Narcook Maskud, PO1 Pia Camidon, PO1 Esmael Gialal, PO1 Arnulfo Soriano, PO1 Heritage Amaba, a member of the 1508 PMG, Police Senior Inspector Abdul Gapor Abad and Bong Andal. They are hereby convicted and sentenced to suffer the indeterminate penalty of imprisonment of 6 years of prison correctional as minimum to 10 years and 8 months of prison mayor as maximum. Number 3, on ground of reasonable doubt, the following accused are hereby acquitted, namely SPO1 Elizer Rendaje, SPO1 Alimola Gianaton, SPO1 Samad Magindra, PO3 Ricky Balanhueco, PO3 Gibrael Alano, PO2 Rexon Giama, PO1 Amir Solaiman, PO1 Bajun Panegas, PO1 Pendatun Dima, PO1 Ebara Bebot, PO1 Tamano Hadi, PO1 Michael Macarongon, also known as Labayan Group, SPO1 Ali Solano, PO3 Felix Daquilos, PO2 Kendatu Rakim, PO1 Abdul Rahman Batarasa, PO1 Marjul Julkadi, PO1 Datu Jerry Uto, PO1 Muhammad Balading, PO1 Marsman Nilong, PO1 Ismael Barakir, PO1 Abdul Manan Saavedra, and PO1 Jimmy Kadtong, known as Solano Group, PO1 Sandy Sabang, Takpan Dilon, Datu Teng Ibrahim or Mustafa Ibrahim alias Kudsa Masukat, PO1 Warden Legawan, Jonathan Ampatuan, Jimmy Ampatuan, Rainer Ebus,
Counsel.
Mohammad Sanki, Tho Amino, Norman Tatak, Malagyal Tanuri alias Johari Montok Malagyal, Alimudin Sanguyod alias Norodin Malang, Mama Habib, Sahid Yamadel alias Arnel Abdullah, Datutulon Esmail, Kasim Lingkong alias Abdul Kadir Saludin, Akad Makaton alias Muhammad Salazar Piang, Norhato Camino alias Alfetche Banding, Nasser Malagya alias Ramon Dadulo, Police Inspector Banarin Kamaong, and Police Superintendent Abdul Wahid Pedtukasan, PO1 Ahmad Kamsa Badal, PO2 Tani Dalgan, PO1 Anwar Masukat, Samsudin Daud, Maot Bangkulat alias Benji Dagendengan, Denga Mentol alias Ronnie Ofong, Fahad Uto alias Richard Gofel, Datu Ahmad Tato Ampatuan,
Order in court, please.
and Datu Sajid Islam Ampatuan. Number 4, likewise accused PO1 Abdullah Bagwadatu, PO1 Oscar Donato, and PO1 Michael Madzig are acquitted as the evidence of the prosecution has absolutely failed to prove their guilt. Accordingly, the jail warden of Quezon City Jail Annex is hereby ordered to immediately release the aforementioned accused and
Order in court, please. The proceeding is not yet over.
the jail, sorry. The jail warden of Quezon City Jail Annex is hereby ordered to immediately release the aforementioned accused unless they are being detained for some other lawful cause or causes. Number 5, all the principal accused are likewise ordered to pay the following heirs jointly and severally. Namely, number 1, the heirs of victim by Jeneline Mangudadatu, number 2, heirs of victim Napoleon Salaysay. Number 3, heirs of victim Victor Nunez. Number 4, heirs of victim Joel Parcon. Heirs of victim Santos June Gatchalian. Number 6, heirs of victim Jolito Evardo. Number 7, heirs of victim Andres Teodoro. Number 8, heirs of victim Daryl Vincent de los Reyes. Number 9, heirs of victim Anthony Ridao. Number 10, heirs of victim Bay Eden Mangudadatu. Number 11, heirs of victim Eugene De Melo. Number 12, heirs of victim Jose Joy Duhay. Number 13, heirs of victim Arturo Betia. Number 14, heirs of victim Lindo Lupogan. Number 15, heirs of victim Mercy Palabrica. Number 16, heirs of victim Ronnie Perante. Number 17, heirs of victim Rosel Morales. Number 18, heirs of victim Wilhelm Palabrica. 19, heirs of victim Rubel Bataluna. 20, heirs of victim Francisco Subang. 21, heirs of victim Raida Sapalon Pamensang. 22, heirs of victim Rahima Palawan. Number 23, heirs of victim Noel Decena. Number 24, heirs of victim Fernando Razon. Number 25, heirs of victim Eleanor Dalmasio. Number 26, heirs of victim Cynthia Oquendo. Number 27, heirs of victim Marife Montaño. Number 28, heirs of victim Jeffon Kadagdagon. Number 29, heirs of victims Eduardo and Cecil Lechoncito. Number 30, heirs of victim Catalino Oquendo. 31, heirs of victim Rasul Daud. Number 32, heirs of victim Abdilay Ayada. Number 33, heirs of victim Marites Cablitas. Number 34, heirs of victim Mac Delbert Ariola. Number 35, heirs of victim Ernesto S. Maravilla Jr. Number 36, heirs of victim Benji Adolfo. Number 37, heirs of victim Norton Edza. 38, heirs of victim Henry Araneta. Number 39, heirs of victim Ray Merisco. Number 40, heirs of victim Bienvenido M. Legarta Jr. Number 41, heirs of victim Daniel Chamzon. 42, heirs of victim Romeo Cabillo. 43, heirs of victim Gina De La Cruz. Number 44, heirs of victim Rowena Ante. Number 45, heirs of victim Suraida Bernan. Number 46, heirs of victim John Caniban. 47, heirs of victim Hannibal Cachuela. Number 48, heirs of victim Wahida Ali Kalim. Number 49, heirs of victim Bay Farina Hassan Mahudadatu. Number 50, heirs of victim Miriam Kalimbol Pandal. Number 51, heirs of victim Concepcion Jaime Brizuela. Number 52, heirs of victim Alejandro Reblando Sr. Number 53, heirs of victim Mamotabay Mahudadatu. Number 54, heirs of victims Dailani and Pinky Balayman. Number 6, the accused are hereby directed to pay the aforementioned amount with an interest rate of 6% per annum, reckoned from the rendition of judgment until the award shall have been fully paid. Number 7, the filing fees shall constitute a first lien on the judgment pursuant to paragraph 3 of section 1, rule 111 of the Rules of Court, and reiterated in OCA Circular number 54-2018 dated March 21, 2018. Number 8, the cases filed against accused PO2 Hernani Disipulo, Dato Andal Ampatuan Sr., Mokhtar Daud, SPO1 Eduardo Ong, Nasser Talib alias Morales Sisay Amilol, Macton Bilungan, and PO1 Bersedik Alfonso are hereby dismissed pursuant to Article 89, Paragraph 1 of the Revised Penal Code. In criminal case number GL-Q-12-17868, all the accused above mentioned are hereby acquitted on ground of reasonable doubt. Accordingly, the claim for damages of the heirs of Reynaldo Bebot Momay are hereby dismissed. So ordered, Quezon City, December 19, 2019. Signed, Jocelyn A. Solis Reyes, presiding judge.
Your Honor, good morning. I'm Attorney Juman Pa, representing accused Police Superintendent Camao in San Luis Albao. During the time when the dispositive portion was read, Superintendent Camao's name was mentioned as one of the accused or convicted. However, during the names, the personalities stated for those who are acquitted, his name is also mentioned again. May I clarify, Your Honor, regarding the...
it refers to the last case which was filed.
His name was mentioned twice, Your Honor. The first, during the list of those who were convicted, and during the time that when the personalities who are acquitted, his name is also mentioned, Your Honor.
I will review the
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, we would like to manifest that as a personal representative of the deceased Momay, that we will be filing our notice of appeal for the civil aspect of the case.
That's noted.
Your Honor, may
Okay.
in view of the conviction of accused Michael Joy Macari, who is not present at today's proceedings, Your Honor, prosecution moves for the issuance of warrant of arrest against him, Your Honor.
Morning, Your Honor. As the counsel of Police Inspector Michael Joy Macari, may I just be clarified as to the exact penalty of the accessory? Because I have, is that 6 years and 1 day to 10 years? 10 years. Your Honor, please, if give this representation, Your Honor, to produce the accused in this case within the week, Your Honor, or make the necessary explanation to this court. And I believe, Your Honor, the accused Macari has already served at least 8 years, if I'm not mistaken. So we will be submitting the accused to the...
Macaraig was notified of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
date of promulgation.
Yeah, yesterday, Your Honor, I was able to talk to him, and he assured me that he will appear today, Your Honor. And for whatever reason now, Your Honor, that's why he is not here.
Okay.
I have yet to know the reason, Your Honor, please.
So meantime, the court will issue a warrant of arrest against him.
Yes, sure. We submit, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Rina May Collado, same appearance for accused Anwar Sr., Anwar Jr., and Anwar Sajid Ampatuan. We would like to manifest and put on record that we will be filing the appropriate pleading for the 3 accused within 15 days from today.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
That's noted.
I'm Attorney Rogie Maytin Espinosa, Your Honor. I join the manifestation of my co-counsel here, Your Honor. For Jonathan Ingid, Your Honor. We'll be filing the appropriate pleading within 15 days.
Good morning, Your Honor. We will file the appropriate pleadings, Your Honor. I did not hear the name of my client, Bakal, Your Honor.
His name was included here.
Bakit, yes. Batawi, Bakal.
Okay. Any manifestation? Any
Yes, Your Honor. For Dato Andal Ampatuan Jr., Your Honor, we will be filing our motion for reconsideration of the decision and other relevant pleadings thereto, Your Honor. Within 15 days, Your Honor.
Your Honor, same appearance for former ARMM Governor Datu Zaldi Ampatuan, Your Honor. Likewise, we respectfully manifest that we will be filing the necessary pleading and or motion within the same period, Your Honor, 15 days.
Noted. Okay. Any other manifestation? Order.
Your Honor, for those who are convicted, prosecution moves for the issuance of mitimus and immediate transfer to the Bilibid prison, Your Honor.
I will include that in the order.
Thank you, Your Honor.
When these cases were called, when these cases were called this morning for the when these cases were called this morning, the consolidated partial decision was promulgated. Pursuant to the unbanked resolution of the Supreme Court, let the corresponding mitimuses be issued for those convicted accused. Further, can I have the... Further, it appearing from records that alias warrants of arrest were already issued against the following accused, namely, Dato Canor Ampatuan, Dato Banarin Ampatuan, Dato Mama Ampatuan, Dato Saudi Ampatuan Jr., Dato Haris Ampatuan, Dato Moning Ampatuan, Mohira Haji Anggulat, Parida Sangkala Gogo, June Pendatun, Kaji Faisal, P1 Ismail Barakir, I think he's here. Ano na? Barakir is excluded. P1 Abi Gadem, P1 Ebad Musa, P1 Kader Datunot, P1 Alfi Pagabangan, P1 Datunor Kadir, P1 Johar Kamindan, Sergeant Abdullah Karim Falcon, Sergeant Banzar Maulana, Sergeant Abdul Sokor Abdullah, Sergeant Alnor Ampatuan, Dato Norodin Nords, Dato Manong Ampatuan, Hamid Delayudin, Dato Dainga Ampatuan, Rodel Ampatuan, Manny Upam, Kurt Sampatuan, Tony Kenny Sampatuan, Intan Ampatuan, Kaji Amar Ampatuan, Muhammad Ampatuan, Rex Tony Dek, Alex Zaipon, Dodds Kamong, Haron Arog, Toktok Diabal, Batuta Zailon, Mando Balangan, Rene Gyapal, Latif Gani, Alex Kadil, Camper Silongan, Sokor Kamsa, Sanggutin Musa, Rolex Kusen, Butu Umal, Surin Kayukay, Batuti Bara, Basir Abdul Magid, Gambayan Kasim, Mamugkay Kamsa, Zamora Sambulawan, Tokan Pamsag, Abdul Maula Uday, Magid Alba, Mads Uto, Abidin Kenny, G. Takilid, Andami Singkala, Nasruddin Giamadil, Toy Datumanong, Ben Mendog, Esia Mantawil, Muhammad Makauyag, Rusty Daud, Abusama Gyapal, Datunot Ayub, Butukan Esmalang, Kasim Dalending, Abdul Karim Manalasan, Magid Amil Daton, Tino Sanday, Ibrahim Abon, Mukhtar Santo Kindo, Andro K. Awil, Upam Saudi, Samsudin Camilon, Marco Enged, Nasser Gia, and Nasser Adam. Let these cases be archived insofar as said accused are concerned. Further, for failure of accused Michael Joy Macaraig to appear for today's promulgation of judgment despite notice, upon motion, let a warrant of arrest be issued against him. Insofar as accused Datu Sajid Islam Ampatuan is concerned, he is given 5 days from today within which to explain why he should not be cited in contempt of court for failure to appear despite notice. Further, in view of the promulgation of consolidated partial decision today, the motion to cancel bar withdraw bond filed by what is this? Travel. Why is this not here? Filed by Attorney Pelumi Nomongan, Counsel for Commonwealth Insurance Company, is considered moot and academic. Furnish all parties copies of the consolidated partial decision. So ordered.
All rise.
Session adjourned.
This court is adjourned.
Thank you.